Hello guys, welcome to yet another exciting day. Today is Wednesday. We want to look at how to convert denary numbers into binary numbers. So this is what we want to do today. We want to look at how to convert denary numbers into binary numbers. It's very simple. Remember when I gave a summary of data representation, I said we can use, when converting denary numbers into binary numbers, we can either use successive division by 2, we can also use the binary units. So I will show you today the actual workings, how we convert these denary numbers into binary numbers using the two methods that I have highlighted. What you simply have to know, maybe before we proceed to the workings, is these units. How do we get these units? So to get these binary units, remember binary is a base 2 number system. So meaning to say we are simply raising 2 to natural counting numbers, to any number. For example, if we are using a 4-unit binary number, 4-unit binary units, so the 4-bit binary units, they consist of values 1, 2, 4, and 8, meaning to say would have raised 2 to the power 0 for us to get 1, we raise 2 to the power 1 to get 2, 2 to the power 2 to get 4, 2 to the power 3 to get 8. So that one will give us the 4 binary units, right? The first 4 binary units. But when we are using 8 binary units, therefore we need to raise 2 up to the power of 7. So 2 to the power 0 up to the power of 8 for us to get the 8 units, the 8 binary units we use in an 8-bit binary number. So how do we come up with these binary units? Maybe you might ask, how do I know that I need to use a 4-bit binary unit, or how do I know that I need to use an 8-bit binary unit? It only depends with the type of number, the denary number that you are converting. Maybe, let's say you want to convert 8 into binary. So 8 can be converted using a 4-bit binary unit, right? A 4-bit binary unit. Why? Because it is represented under 15, right? You can as well ask, where am I getting the 15? 15 is the largest denary number we can get, or we can produce out of a 4-bit binary unit. And then, meaning to say all the numbers, all the denary numbers below 15, right? All the numbers from 15 up to 0, they can be represented using a 4-bit binary number. But when you are now talking of numbers that are greater than 15, you need to use an 8-bit binary unit. But also 8-bit binary unit, of course, it also has its limit where it ends, right? It has limit. So the largest denary number we can make out of an 8-bit is 255. Right, so meaning to say, if you want to convert any denary number that is in between 15 and 256, right, excluding 15 and also excluding 256, all those numbers in between those numbers, they can be represented using an 8-bit binary number. So let us quickly jump into Alright, so as you can see here, I've written binary number system refers to base 2 number system. So how do we come up with these binary units? So we are raising 2, so base 2, so our base should always be 2, and we are raising 2 to the power of counting numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 7. So 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, to the power 3 is 8, to the power 4 is 16, to the power 5 is 32, to the power 6 is 64, to the power 7 is 128. So this gives us an 8-bit binary unit. So these are 8-bit binary units, right? So 8-bit binary units. So for us to get 4 bits binary units, we simply divide into groups of 4, right? So like this, meaning to say this first part will now give us a 4-bit binary unit, right? 4-bit binary units. So the largest denary number we can make out of the first 4-bit binary units is 15. So the largest denary number would be equals to 15. How do we get 15? We are simply adding 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 12, 3 plus 4 is 7, sorry. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 8 is 15. And then the largest ordinary number that we can get out of an 8-bit, largest ordinary number of an 8-bit is 255, right? Because we are adding, here we have 15 plus 16 plus 32 plus 64 plus 128. It should give us 255, right? So let us proceed. Let me show you now the workings. I was just giving you the foundations because the largest ordinary number we can make out of a 4-bit binary number is 15, of which 11 is less than what? 15. So we need to consider the binary means that if added together, they will give us 11. So in this case, 8 is less than 11. So we switch on. By switch on, we write a 1, right? Because binary number consists of ones and zeros. So if we do 8 plus 4, 8 plus 4, it will give us 12. 12 is greater than 11. So therefore, we switch off unit 4, right? And if we do 8 plus 2, it will give us 10. 10 is less than 11. We switch on 2, right? And then 10, now we have 10 here. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So we switch on 1 like this. So this is how we convert 11 into binary. So therefore, 11 to binary will be equals to 1, 0, 1, 1. That would be our answer using the first method. So I want to show you the second method, which is successive division by 2. So second method, successive division by 2. Method 2, successive division by 2, right? So we draw this. We have our 2, right? We have our 11 and then the remainder here like this. So 2 into 11, it goes how many times? 5 times, leaving a remainder of 1. 2 into 5, it goes how many times? 2 times, leaving a remainder of 1. 2 into 2, it goes once, leaving a remainder of 0. And then 2 into 1, it goes 0 times, leaving a remainder of 1. So our answer, you take from bottom to top, like this. So therefore, using successive division by 2, our answer would be equals to 1, 0, 1, 1. So these are the two methods that we can use to convert a binary number into binary number. Alright guys, thank you very much. So that was the method that we can use to convert a binary number which is less than, which is 15 and less, right, from its binary form into binary. We either use the units, right, which is a table system, and it's very simple, and we can also use the successive division by 2. So as you saw the demonstrations, it is very simple. You simply need to keep on practicing and practicing. So in our next lesson, we are going to show you how to convert binary numbers which are greater than 15 from their binary form into binary. So that will be our next lesson. Thank you. Keep smiling.